Welcome, fam. Woke up feeling tight in the hips or weak through your core? Like your back is working overtime just to hold you up. This flow brings your power back online and puts your power center back in charge. Let's hit the mat. We start with the hips, because when they're tight, your back takes a hit. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, a left knee down, shift gently forward and back. Breathe through the movement, don't rush. You can feel a stretch deep in the left hip flexor, a release through the front of your pelvis, ease spreading into the lower back. This unlocks your stride and decompresses your spine. I promise it makes standing, walking and breathing feel lighter. We're about to balance this release on the other side and go deeper after that. Can you lengthen your spine as you shift forward for 5 more seconds? Are you leading with the hips or collapsing into them? Back just freed your front chain. Let's balance your base. Balance is silent until it speaks through stiffness. This is your chance to listen early. Step your left foot forward, a right knee down, gently pulse forward and back. Keep your chest tall. Use your breath to guide depth. Feel your hip flexors stretch on the right. Release down the quad, stability waking up in your base. Left and right balance leads to better alignment, less strain, and more freedom. I promise you'll feel your posture shift after this. Tight hips don't just affect your legs, they restrict your diaphragm too. Stay tall, add a slight reach overhead, breathe through 5 more seconds. Is this side tighter? That's your cue, it needs more care, not more force. That just realigned your base. Now let's go deeper into the hips. If you sit a lot, this is a stretch your hips are begging for. From all fours, bring your right knee forward behind your right wrist. Left leg back, lower into the stretch. Use a pillow block if needed. You can feel a deep glute stretch, outer hip release, a gentle grounding in the lower spine. Pigeon melts deep hip tension, relieves lower back pressure, and opens a path for real core activation. I promise it'll feel like a release you didn't know you needed. Once the left side lets go, the left has a story to tell. Fold 10% deeper, then breathe for 5 slow seconds. Are you letting your hip drop and your breath guide? That just released your right hip. Now let's match on the left. Both sides deserve attention. One tight hip can throw off your entire chain. Left knee forward, right leg long behind, hip square. Fold forward if it feels safe. Breathe deep, no force, just presence. You're going to feel a stretch in the left glute, a length through the hip flexors, a calm through the spine. This restores balance across the hips and resets your seated posture. I promise you'll feel taller when you stand. This pose also calms the nervous system. Hips are emotional storage units. Can you drop your forehead 1 inch lower? Hold for 5 more seconds. Are you still holding tension or finally releasing it? That just balanced your foundation. Now let's activate your core. Strength without control is chaos. This builds control. From tabletop, extend your right arm and left leg. Keep your spine flat, return and switch sides. Breathe with intention. You're going to feel your core bracing, glutes firing, stability through your back and shoulders. Bird dog strengthens the muscles that protect your spine, especially when you sit, stand, or carry stress. I promise you'll move with more control after this. Tomorrow, we go deeper, but this is your baseline. Hold each rep for 3 full seconds, no wobbles. Are your hips twisting or staying still as you reach? That just lit up your core. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.